Here is our fidget for mom.
Keycap Keychain. All of these can be customized. We offer a variety of specifications for you to choose from. The base can emit light or sound.